If you want to set up an alarm clock on a Realme 14T, then first of all, we're gonna go to the app drawer and we need to find the clock app. In my case, it is over here. So let's go into the app. And there we go. Here, of course, we can make sure that alarm is selected. And you should be able to find some example alarm clocks that we can immediately use. We can enable or disable the alarm by tapping on this switcher. You can also see when it will go off. And if you try to turn off the recurring alarm, we can also just skip just for tomorrow or turn off recurring alarm completely. We can tap on the alarm in order to edit it. So we can set up once again when it should go off, whether it should ring once, whether it is for work, whether it is custom. So you can choose which days of the week should the alarm go off. And then we also have some other customization options. And then if you are done with editing, just press done in the top right corner. Now, besides that, if you want to create your own alarm clock, if you want to set it up, then just press this plus button over here at the bottom. And there we go. It looks pretty much the same. We can just set up when it should go off and whether it is just a temporary, just one time alarm, whether it is for work, whether it is custom again, and so on and so forth. We can set up the name for the alarm and much more, and then just press done once you are done. If you want to remove an alarm, then what you need to do is tap on these three dots over here in the top right corner and go to settings. After that, we can tap on the box and select every alarm clock that we want to remove. Press delete at the bottom, and there we go. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.